Okay, guys, so it is a wrap in Culver City. We offloaded 2 baskets of 3 to 6 inch rubble, and it looks amazing. Now that this garden has filled in, thank you. Now that this garden has filled in, framing it is just like framing a photograph. It's gorgeous. We went over all of the plants. I didn't need to use any product. There were no bugs, diseases, pests, problems, or concerns that I noted on any of the plants. Look at these babies. That's so precious. But yes, we did weed. We cleaned what detritus we could out of the plants underneath the Chinese elms. I mean, look at how good this looks. It took 4 of us about 4 hours to lay out all of this rubble. We had to trench first and then lay it all out, and to clean the plants, and to do some deadheading. Really wasn't a whole lot of plant care that was needed yet, which doesn't surprise me since it's only been a year. But yeah, I really think that this rubble is super clutch on this installation. And again, I'm just so thankful that the neighbors are so respectful of this garden, and they aren't. Oh, you know what? Hannah, did you leave my keys? My keys. Yeah, you did. You moved my car. Okay, good. Yeah, Hannah's taken off for San Diego, and she moved my car, and I wanted to make sure she didn't take my keys with her. Sorry about that. And look, there goes Greg. So I guess it's just me and you guys, right? Oh, crap. Now you're getting my shadow. Let me turn and face this way for you. I cleaned all the weeds out of the pots. I also eliminated some of the aloe vera pups out of that pot. It was getting, just really, really full. Look at this. Right? Oh, God, so gorgeous. It's so fun, too. The neighbors are all walking by. They're so friendly. Everybody complimenting the garden and telling us how much they enjoy it every day on their walks. Again, special thanks to our homeowner for doing such a wonderful job of parenting her plants. Just spectacular. I mean, no stone was left unturned, no pun intended, but seriously, I framed out every single thing in this garden. All of the utility boxes, the water meters, all the flagstones, everything got framed out with rubble. Every square inch. Super meticulous. It looks phenomenal. The plants are just busting. This frame, I can't get over it. So good. Okay, so I guess we will see. This client would like quarterly maintenance to help her, keep up with this very, very big, very plush garden. So we'll be back in 3 months here to show you progress. I went a little thicker with the rubble here. See that? Around the tree. So yeah, that's my story. I'm sticking with it. Thank you guys for watching, for following. I'm so thrilled that here in Culver City, all of these succulents, and I used all the succulents, are thriving and doing so well 1 year in. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, reporting from Culver City with 1 year maintenance and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.